Welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Let's get this one underway. I got to get you some total box action with this pair. Guys, check out the entire box. A lot of you say you like to see the box. Get you some label action now. This shoe is a special one. Gonna get some good focusing action, hopefully. As usual, small box gang does not like to focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 8 Retro SP. Shell metal and gold, metallic and gold fossil, I apologize. AKA the Jordan 8 Mi Casa S Su Casa. So you get the blue upper lid in the box. The blue paper. And wrapped with white paper inside the box. Let me check for extra laces. No extra laces. Slime this baby out. Oh, this shoe is crazy. Get this light out, guys. The materials on this shoe are nappy suede. Just looks so cool. Nappy suede all the way around like a sweater at the top. If you haven't had Jordan 8, just standard Jordan 8 logo on top. Just cream to the white netting, or you could say off-white netting. Off-white box. I'm looking to get a pair of these with this Friends and Family box as well, so that's what I'm looking for next. As soon as I get them, I'll make a video if you guys want to see it. It'll be the same shoe though. I got the video for the Gratitudes coming as well. I lost the one for the adults though. But let's get back to this shoe. You see the top of the shoe is outstanding. All that nappy suede. Just great. With the ugly sweater upper. Same color suede on the side, like I said, to the off-white netting. Gold bracer, Air Jordan back. This is like a little holographic. This is just a grade 8. Just a grade 8. Standard 8 back. Know what you guys think of these. Did you try to get a pair, or you gotta try to get a pair? I hope that you guys ever get them low. They're going up in retail. Some of these are going for $500, $600. I was happy I was able to get all my pairs. All right, let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. And above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day. I'm just happy I was able to get these in my size as well.